Hi, my name's Dave Wisey. I'm a tech support specialist with Automation Components Incorporated. In today's tech tip video, I'm going to be talking about the QIRF refrigerant sensor. Detecting leaks is critical for the health and safety of workers and employees in a building to reduce the negative impact on the environment and to maintain and control refrigerant loss in a building and in a system to reduce costs. The QIRF is a solid-state infrared refrigerant sensor that meets the International Mechanical Code, ASHRAE 15, and the B52 requirements for refrigerant detection and can be used as either a standalone unit or as part of a system. The QIRF is used to detect the presence of Freon in settings such as mechanical equipment rooms, cold storage and transport facilities, supermarkets and convenience stores, chiller plants, pharmaceutical companies, and other applications using halocarbons. The QIRF uses an infrared temperature-controlled sensor to monitor specific refrigerant, but can be field configured for many different Freon refrigerants, which gives greater flexibility during its installation. The QIRF has a factory set range of 0 to 1000 ppm for detected Freons, except R123, which has a range of 0 to 100 ppm. The QIRF has analog output options of 4 to 20 milliamps or 2 to 10 volts DC, as well as digital RS485 Modbus RTU or Optimix protocol for QEL controllers. Standard features on the QIRF include 3 onboard single-pole double-throw Form C relays, which can be individually programmed, a 2x8 character backlit display, 5 status LEDs to monitor communications and relay status, an 80 decibel buzzer with 3 programmable tones, 14-year sensor life, 3% accuracy, 7,500 square foot coverage area, magnetic keypads, and a NEMA 4X enclosure. A couple things to keep in mind when installing QIRF refrigerant sensors. Since Freon is heavier than air, the QIRF should be mounted 18 inches off the floor or in any low areas such as pits or stairwells where the Freon might pool. If your application includes multiple chillers, mount the QIRF between the chillers. The QIRF is shipped with its 3 relay trip points set to the following factory defaults. Relay 1 is set to 500 ppm. Relay 2 is set to 750 ppm. And Relay 3 is set to 1000 ppm. Each relay can be individually programmed to different levels based on local code or sequence of operation using the unit's magnetic keypad. The relays can be used to actuate ventilation, activate audible and/or visual alarms, or send an alarm signal to a controller. The QIRF sensor should be tested for accuracy and bump tested for functionality once every year and calibrated if needed. Never use 100% nitrogen gas to perform a zero calibration on the QIRF transmitters. Nitrogen is cold when it leaves the cylinder and has the potential to crack the infrared sensor. I hope you found this video helpful. For more information on the QIRF or any ACI products, visit our website at workaci.com. While on the website, you can access product information or click on the chat button at the bottom of any page to connect with a live ACI team member ready to answer your questions. Or just give us a call toll-free at 1-888-967-5224. ACI, engineering a better sensor solution.